Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. Welcome to HydrogenHub, your AI-enhanced hydrogen industry database. This platform is designed to provide comprehensive market intelligence and facilitate company discovery in the hydrogen sector. Explore the future of energy with h2hub.renenergy.com. HydrogenHub is a professional research platform offering a specialized industry database, AI-enhanced search capabilities, market intelligence, and global coverage. It's your go-to resource for hydrogen industry insights. Our database covers a wide spectrum of the hydrogen value chain, including 1 hydrogen company, 50 countries, and 10 technology categories. This extensive coverage ensures you have access to the most relevant information. We cover diverse technology sectors such as green hydrogen production, fuel cell technology, industrial applications, hydrogen storage, transportation and infrastructure, and research and development. Dive into the specifics of each sector. HydrogenHub provides global geographic coverage, including North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, and emerging markets. This ensures you have insights from major hydrogen markets worldwide. Our platform features advanced search, company profiles, market analysis, and export tools. These features allow you to search, filter, analyze, and export data efficiently. AI enhancement features include smart search, similarity matching, auto-categorization, and trend analysis. These tools enhance user experience and streamline data discovery. HydrogenHub is utilized by investment professionals, corporate strategists, researchers, government and policymakers, energy companies, and consultants. It's a versatile tool for various industry players. Common use cases include deal flow generation, partner discovery, market research, and technology scouting. These applications help users discover, research, connect, and engage with the hydrogen industry. With HydrogenHub, you benefit from a centralized database platform, efficient search and discovery, comprehensive market coverage, regularly updated profiles, and advanced filtering and export capabilities. Our platform offers flexible access and pricing options, including a free trial, professional, and premium plans. Each plan is designed to cater to different user needs, from basic access to enhanced analytics tools. The database includes various company types such as startups and scale-ups, industrial companies, energy companies, and investment funds. This diversity ensures comprehensive industry representation. Advanced search capabilities include multi-filter search, text search, similarity engine, and saved searches. These tools help you filter, review, and save your most important search criteria. Comprehensive company profiles provide basic information, technology focus, business description, website links, market category, and verification status. These profiles offer a detailed overview of each company. Our data quality standards include manual verification, regular updates, multiple sources, and confidence scoring. These standards ensure professional-grade data reliability. Market intelligence features include trend visualization, market mapping, sector analysis, and custom reports. These tools help you analyze, visualize, report, and share market insights. Export and integration capabilities include data export, API access, custom lists, and share reports. These features facilitate seamless data management and collaboration. Investment research applications include deal sourcing, market sizing, due diligence, and portfolio tracking. These applications help you source, screen, research, and track investment opportunities. Corporate strategy use cases include supplier discovery, partnership opportunities, competitive intelligence, and M&A targets. These use cases support strategic decision-making and collaboration. Research and academic use cases include market studies, technology analysis, policy research, and industry reports. These use cases provide valuable insights for academic and policy development. Our user interface is designed to provide a seamless experience with a clean dashboard view, responsive design, fast search capabilities, and customizable user preferences. Whether you're logging in, searching, filtering, or exporting data, our platform ensures efficiency and ease of use. We offer extensive support and user resources, including professional email support, comprehensive documentation, tutorial videos, and FAQ resources. Additionally, users can benefit from a free trial with basic support or opt for premium support with priority response times and custom training. Our platform covers a wide range of industries, from production technologies and transportation to industrial users and power generation. We also support infrastructure and equipment services, providing a complete hydrogen value chain representation. Data security and privacy are paramount. We ensure secure access with authentication, data protection standards, privacy controls, and regular backups. Our enterprise-grade security standards safeguard your information. Our platform offers distinct advantages, focusing on hydrogen intelligence, active maintenance, professional tools, and scalable access. We provide general databases and a specialized HydrogenHub for industry-specific insights. Looking ahead, our platform roadmap includes enhanced analytics, an alert system for market developments, partnership network integration, and regular market reports. These features are designed to keep you informed and ahead in the industry. Our platform is experiencing significant growth with 500 active users, 1,000 companies tracked, and representation in 50 countries. We provide detailed usage statistics, data growth insights, user satisfaction feedback, and comprehensive market coverage. Getting started is easy with website access, quick setup, and immediate access to sample data. Our support contact is readily available to assist you throughout the process. Start exploring today with our free trial, which includes access to 50 companies without requiring a credit card. Discover hydrogen companies and market opportunities with ease. Thank you for considering HydrogenHub, your professional hydrogen industry intelligence platform. Visit our website, contact us, connect on LinkedIn, and follow our updates for the latest insights. Thanks for tuning into the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.